After discussing red and yellow soil, children, we will discuss about laterite soil. So laterite soil, as name is there, laterite means it has been derived from Latin word. This word has been derived from Latin word, and the meaning of later is brick. So which means brick. The laterite soil develops in areas with high temperature and heavy rainfall. The laterite soil is found where there is heavy rainfall and high temperature. This is the result of intense leaching due to heavy rain. Humus content of the soil is low. The humus content is low because most of the microorganisms, particularly the decomposer like bacteria, get destroyed due to the high temperature. Since high temperature is there, obviously humus amount will be less in such kind of soil. Laterite soil are suitable for cultivation with adequate doses of manure and fertilizers. Since it is not very fertile for growing crops, but if manure and fertilizers are used in adequate quantity, the production can be done in this type of soil. These soils are mainly found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and the hilly areas of Orissa and Assam. These are the areas where the laterite soil is found. After adopting appropriate soil conservation techniques, particularly in the hilly areas of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, this soil is very useful for growing tea and coffee. So it is ideal for growing which kind of crop? For tea and coffee beverages. Laterite soil in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala are most suitable for crops like cashew nut. It is good for growing cashew nut also. So there are some important points related to the laterite soil. Let us see those. Laterite soil. So as I discussed, it is developed in those areas, developed in the areas with high temperature and heavy rainfall. So this is the first condition for laterite soil. It is found in those areas which has high temperature and heavy rainfall as well. Second, it is result of the intense leaching due to heavy rain. Third, suitable for cultivation with adequate doses of fertilizers and manures. If farmers are using adequate amount of fertilizers and manure, only then it is good for cultivation, any kind of crop. Fourth, found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, etc. And it is good for growing what? It is good for growing beverages like tea, coffee and cashew nut. So these are some important things that should be written or that should be needed to learn under laterite soil. So after laterite soil, there are arid soils. What are arid soils? Arid soils range from red to brown in color. They are generally sandy in texture and saline in nature. You will be surprised to know that in some areas the salt content is too high that common salt is obtained by evaporation through this arid soil. So see how. Saline are generally sandy in texture and saline in nature. In some areas the salt content is very high and common salt is obtained by evaporating the water, right? Due to the dry climate, high temperature, evaporation is faster and the soil lacks humus and moisture. Since it is saline in nature, so humus content and moisture is less. The lower horizons of the soils are occupied by kankar because of the increasing calcium content downwards. In downward there are some kankar modules. So there is high amount of calcium. The kankar layer formation in the bottom horizons restrict the infiltration of water. After proper irrigation, these soils become cultivable, as has been in the case of Western Rajasthan. So in Rajasthan is the area where this type of soil is found. So according to the mountain environment where they are formed, they are loamy and silty in valley side and coarse grained in the upper slopes. In the snow covered areas of Himalayas, these soils experience denudation and are acidic with low humus content. The soil found in the lower part of the valley, particularly on the river terraces and alluvial fans, are fertile, right? So let's have a look on arid soil. Arid soil. So what is important to be covered? These types of soils are red to brown in color, sandy texture, common salt is obtained. Fourth, lack of humus. Fifth, presence of calcium content. Found in Western Rajasthan and other hilly areas. So these are some important points to be covered under arid soil. Red to brown in color, sandy in texture, common salt is obtained, lack of humus, presence of calcium content, found in Western Rajasthan. So I think you enjoyed this topic, arid soil as well as laterite soil. Meet you tomorrow.